Hello everyone. Notezilla app for Android and iPhone lets you create notes on your phone and sync with Windows PC. This video will show you how to set an reminder to a note with repeated notification sound. This means that the alarm sound will continuously play until you dismiss the alarm. This is Notezilla, a highly rated notes app on Play Store and App Store. Let's create a new note. Tap here to add a reminder. Set the date and time. Select this option to repeat notification sound. That's it. Try it out. Download Notezilla for free today from our website conceptworld.com, Play Store and App Store. Thank you for watching.